This is Annelida by Natalia, Hector, Manuel, and Gabby. Description and characteristics of the organisms. Annelida, also known as little rings, are worms that are characterized by a segmented body, bilateral symmetry, a true column, and a closed circulatory system. Habitats. The annelids usually live in marine, water, freshwater, and sometimes moist terrestrial habitats. Body symmetry and body systems. Annelid worms are bilaterally symmetrical, so their bodies are similar on both sides. They have a full body system with a brain, nerves, blood vessels, and a digestive system as well. Their bodies are also made up of segments to help them move more accurately. Movement. Yes, worms are capable of locomotion. Earthworms primarily use setae muscles for movement. Specifically, they use a small bristle-like structure attached on each segment of the earthworm's body, allowing the worm to be able to move. Eating and digestion. The worms eat by diving in soil or organic matter through their mouth. The food goes down a tube called the esophagus into the storage area called the crop, then gets ground up in the gizzard. After that, it moves through the intestines where the nutrients are absorbed and the rest is passed out as waste. Reproduction. Annelids can reproduce sexually and asexually. For example, leeches can only reproduce sexually, which involves gametes, while annelids can reproduce asexually. That occurs when budding or fission is happening. Fission is when the parent worm splits in half and both parts regrow into new worms. In budding, the parent forms a bud on themselves, which will eventually grow into a new organism. Predators. Yes, annelids do have predators. Earthworms are prey to birds. They protect themselves by burying themselves into the ground or hiding in crevices to avoid these predators. Marine annelids use mucus to protect themselves, and others can regenerate lost body parts, allowing them to survive attacks from predators. These are fun facts and characteristics. Annelids have a well-developed circulatory and digestive system. The red pigment annelids have is caused by the hemoglobin that is contained in their bodies. A common characteristic is regeneration. And these are our sources.